En jatend migao mar teko Opiyo Wandayi okwayo jo Kenya mondo were kod tiyo gi yore mag chweko maketho alwora kaka tiyo gi yien kod makaa kendo gichak tiyo kod gas kaka yor rito alwora. Kolos e skund sekondari mar Nyiri ma Isiolo e kinde yawo kar gas mar tedo ne jopuonjre skundno, Wandayi nokoni ni chenrono mageto skunde 11,000 e pacho ka mangima osechaki e skunde 20. Oluo ni dwaro nitiere mondo joket mwandu onyuak lwedo sirikal e neno n'oganda kod kuonde tiegruok mag sirikal koting'o skunde odar oweyo tiyo kod yore mag chweko maketho alwora.
I am more than confident that through our combined efforts we can be able to bring cleaner, safer and more efficient cooking solutions all corners of this country, benefiting every Kenyan, one school at a time. This LPG infrastructure that we are commissioning today will not only improve the efficiency of cooking within your school, but will also contribute in a very significant way to the health and safety of all those who work and study here. So it's therefore my singular honor and duty to declare the LPG for Public Institution of Learning project at Isiolo Girls High School officially commissioned.
Katika public school ya Kenya, we have got about over 11,000 schools. Na tulipofanya online study with the Ministry of Education last year, tuliona kwamba hiyo shule ya 11,000 yote wanatumia 80% of them ni kuni na makaa. Na tukienda mbele kidogo kwa police station, kuni na makaa. We wanted to get rid of hii mambo ya makaa through this LPG.